Today I will be demonstrating how to replace the LCD on a Toshiba Satellite L755D-S5109. The replacement display is from laptopscreens.com. To begin, I have powered off the laptop and removed the battery. I've also removed the screw covers from the front bezel with a razor blade. To begin, we will remove the screws from the front bezel. Next, we remove the front bezel by prying at the top to get it started, and then just popping the clips off across the top and the sides. Once you are at the bottom bezel, tilt the display back and lift the bottoms off of the hinges, and the bezel will come off. Next, as you can see from taking it apart, there are two screws at the bottom of the display on each side that will need to be removed. With the bottom screws removed and leaning the display forward a little bit, you will notice a camera wire that runs from the top of the display to the camera all the way down the back of the display. To remove this, you will gently pull the connector out. Allowing you to tilt the back of the clamshell down. Now that we have the camera disconnected and the back of the clamshell removed, we will focus on disconnecting this last cable. You'll need to save this cable to reconnect the new display. First, there is a piece of tape that goes over the connector that you will need to kind of peel off in order to be able to remove the connector. Once you get the tape peeled down to the connector, it's just a gentle rocking motion to disconnect the cable. Now, looking at the side of the display, you will notice two screws. One at the bottom and one at the top. This is the same for the other side. This is to actually remove the display from the body and hinges of the laptop. By removing the screws, it will release the display from the hinges. Now that you have these screws removed from both sides of the bezel, the screen will simply lift out of the hinge. Next, you will take the new display. Mine was purchased from laptopscreens.com, and you will simply lower it into place where the previous screen was. You will then replace the screws in the side of the bezel and reconnect the cable in the back of the screen. Okay, now that we have the display reconnected to the camera and to the bottom of the laptop, we also replace the screws on the internal bezel and replace the screws on the external bezel. Now, we'll test and see if it works. Just replace the battery. And it is like a brand new laptop. Thanks for watching.